Okay, today we're going to make a spectroscope. You're going to have to do some prep work before you do the activity with the children. These are confetti tubes, and we get them donated from the schools after graduation. You're going to want to look through each of them and make sure you can see through them, otherwise you're going to have to get out whatever confetti is left beforehand. Also beforehand, you're going to want to make copies of the electromagnetic spectrum. There's 8 on a page, and each child gets 1. And that's in the lesson plan that's on the website. You'll want to make a 2-inch cardboard pattern and cut out a lot of aluminum squares. You're going to want to use quality aluminum foil, or you'll have to double up the aluminum foil. The diffraction grating you're going to buy online, and the higher the quality, the more colors the kids will see when they look through the spectroscope. And beforehand, you're going to want to take a permanent marker and trace the end of the tube over and over again and cut the circles out so you have the circles ahead of time. When you make them with the children, you're going to want them to tape on the spectroscope graphic first. Then you're going to want them to put glue on the end of one end of the tube and carefully push that down on the diffraction grating that you've already cut. And then on the other end of the tube, you're going to want to tape the aluminum foil, and then probably have an adult carefully cut a very small slit in the end of the aluminum foil. And then if that slit is too big, you can take it off and do it again. There you have it. They hold it up to the light and they see all the colors of the electromagnetic spectrum.